This has been a marathon of 8 months, but for many of us, a lifelong struggle to dismantle Zionism in the state of Israel. The International Jewish Anti-Zionist Network approaches the work first and foremost following the demands for the full liberation of Palestine from the river to the sea. And we stand in our own history when we do that. We stand in our own history of resistance to genocide, including the right to resist and armed resistance as part of that history. And in that way, we are unequivocally with the resistance in Palestine. It is crucial to the future of humanity and the very survival of the planet that we dismantle Zionism. There is no going back. From here, Israel is going to fall. Zionism is really the most anti-Semitic movement and partners with the most anti-Semitic regimes and parties. That includes white supremacist organizations in this country, Proud Boys, Steve Bannon, the Trump regime. It also includes Christian Zionists, who are the largest Zionist population in the United States. And it goes back to the character of the Zionist movement, which was very much a ruling class white movement of European Jews who wanted state power, who wanted access to that power and capital. And so for our movement, it feels very important that we recognize that, as Richard said, it has never had, for the Zionists, for the US and its allies, it has never had anything to do with Jewish safety. Has never had anything to do with valuing Jewish life, and of course it has nothing to do with valuing any life or the actual survival of this planet. And then I want to just speak to anti-Zionist Jews who are here or elsewhere. We have to keep decentering the conversation of Jewish safety. We have a responsibility to stop the weaponization of anti-Semitism. It is a betrayal of our history. It is itself anti-Semitism because it allows these governments to claim Jewish safety when really all they care about is their own agenda. But that is not the center of anti-Zionist struggle. The center of anti-Zionist struggle is the dismantling of it. And so, as Jewish people who are committed to collective liberation, there is one choice, and we invite you to join us in dismantling Zionism before it continues to do so much damage, not only in Palestine, but all over the world. That is not our legacy, and what we need to do is come together and create a different legacy in solidarity with our anti-Zionist brothers and sisters. Thank you.